How to download feed actions on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download actions on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner and go down until you find settings and privacy and then settings, and now just go down here until you find the download your information, and now click the select all and then click feed, and now just click create file, and after you click on it just wait until file created. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.